if you want to use the toilet, switch on the toilet button, look on the light. It's got a little basin, a little shower. So you flick up the lid, and then you've got a hole there. Then you've got this valve which opens up a hole. Do your business, and that's to flush. And then you shut the valve. Make sure that's shut when you want to empty that canister, which is on the other end of that hole. I've got my gloves on. You know what time it is? It's dump time. Let's go. First thing you've got to do is make sure inside the toilet there that the valve's shut. Toilet dumpage receptacle. That's the technical name for it. If you have trouble getting it out, it's like this. People might try to pull it out, but there's a little lever here. Because you go, oh, it's not coming out, oh, panic. Just lift that up a little bit and drag it out. Right. Turn that around like this. Take that off. My face. Give it a bit of a slosh around. Now I might have to have a shower. Had a bit of pressure, that fucking hose. Well, I mean that blinking hose. So we'll just top it up a little bit.
Can you wash the outside too? Because it went all down the outside.
Wash you on the outside. Don't forget to put this back in. And we'll get one of those blue things. Cool. Close that back up. Shove that dirty goat back in there. Close it back up. And that is how you make a mess of emptying a toilet canister thingy. Now I've got to wipe all my urine off my face.